little big. Here you have the option, you can either click on it, and we have the eyes, nose, mouth. With the liquify option, um, it automatically is highlighted, and you can say you want the chin height. Yeah, see here, you can change the chin height, you can change the jaw. There's the width. Now I'm doing this on a this is my original post, okay? This picture actually was taken by Somi, and the editing also was done by Somi. So big shout outs to Somi. This picture I'm using on a frame customized by Loma Creative Services for Pastor Randolph and First Lady Tina Scott. They're with Hightower Memorial Temple, and the guest speaker for Sunday is going to be Corey Webb. So I'm using this image, but I'm just showing you guys not the editing part of it, because that photo right here has already been edited. I'm just showing you the liquify option if you're wanting to, somebody say, oh man, my nose a little too big, or I'm smiling really huge on the event, on the photo, then this is just an option for you. Now the original photo is done already. I just want to show you guys, here's an option that you can use if you have a photo and you have Photoshop, you're trying to figure it out, like what is going on, how to do this. Simply go to Photoshop